How to shuffle wallpapers on iPhone. Imagine your iPhone surprising you with a new look every time you unlock it. In this video, I'll show you how to shuffle wallpapers in seconds. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on the Wallpapers option. Tap on Add New Wallpaper to begin. From the available choices, select Photo Shuffle. Then, choose Select Photos manually. Pick a variety of photos from your gallery that you'd like to use. Once you've made your selections, tap Add. To adjust the shuffle frequency, tap the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Select your preferred shuffle option. When you're ready, tap Add again to confirm. To customize your home screen, select Customize Home Screen, unblur the photo if you wish, and tap Done. That's it! Your lock screen and home screen will now automatically shuffle between the wallpapers you selected.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.